Handmade knives or not handmade knives, which is better? Should you give a little bit extra money to buy a handmade knife, or should you buy a factory made knife? Which is better for the price point? Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're talking about handmade knives versus fabric made knives. Please remember to give me a subscribe and a like, and comment down below which is your favorite knife, a handmade knife or fabric made knife. Okay, so first of all we need to talk about a few things. We have to talk about the steel quality, the handle quality, the finish on the actual blade, the finish on the handle, and actually we need to talk about what you intend to do with the knife. If you just intend to have it on your desk to cut a package open or something, I wouldn't recommend you buying a 2,000 rand knife. But if you want to go hunting or cut a animal up or something like that, that is more heavy duty work, I would definitely recommend you buying a more expensive handmade knife, because the steel quality is better. My knives are made out of N690 stainless steel, which is rust resistant, and if properly heat treated, it is a really tough steel. I have done a test on my knives that I cut a nail in half with a knife, and it is still sharp after the cutting is done. Build quality on handmade knives will be a lot better than it will be on fabric made knives. Handmade knives are built to the most best skill the craftsman actually has, but the factory made knife is built to be good enough for the price point. And price points of the knives, my handmade knives sell for 2,000 rand a knife, and my fabric made knives for 400 rand a knife. So you have to decide where you are laying on the price point. You can buy more expensive fabric made knives that is probably just the same quality as handmade knives, but you will pay the same price. And you have to remember, with handmade knives, you are buying one knife in the world. There are no other knives like that one you bought. So after all, handmade knives are better quality steel, better quality handles, built to more perfection than fabric made knives, but they are very expensive. Depending on which maker you buy from, some knives can go to actually like 20,000-30,000 rand per handmade knife. So it depends on how popular the knife maker is, but it is generally more expensive than fabric made knives. But the quality is better, the finishing is better, the overall build is better, and the quality is better. But it depends on what you want to do with the knife. If you intend to use it like 1 or 2 times a month, it isn't really worth it to buy an expensive handmade knife. But if you want to show off to your friends with your nice knives, handmade knives are definitely the way to go. And if you want to buy more durable knives that will last longer than fabric made knives, it is definitely the way to go, to buy a handmade knife and put in an extra bit of money. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe and give a like, and comment down below which knife is your favorite knife, a handmade knife or fabric made knife.